Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post a video on TikTok. Since some people on TikTok, especially the new users, not be having any idea on how you can post on TikTok. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's just start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, you can see that we on the home page. So make sure you are on the home page. Although it doesn't matter how, you can still post on every page or section you are on. So to post your video or picture, simply come and then click on this edition button. And then now, as you can see, we have the option to select the video or picture we would like to post. So let's try video for us. After doing so, you can see that we have been given the option to edit it, and also add it on your story. So simply come and then click next. And now, as you can see, you have been taken to the section to select the cover for your post, caption and many more. So after you sure you wish to post it, simply come and then click on this option which says post. And now, as you can see, it's being posted. And then simply come and check and you will see that your video has been posted. So from now on you can post however you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.